kids, a very good morning to you all. Kids, in our previous video, we have learned about rainy season and summer season, right? So, these are the two seasons that we have already learned about. And kids, you already know that seasons affect our mood in so many ways. Like, so much rainfall can make us feel irritated. So, today there is one more season that we are going to learn about, and that is winter season. Yes, and winter season is cherished by us all. We all love winter season, right? And there are so many reasons to love winter season. And today we will discuss about those reasons. And personally, I like winter season a lot. You know why? Because we do not sweat a lot during winter season, unlike summer season, right? And the winter season does not leave the roads full of mud and water, unlike rainy season. So that's why I like winter season a lot. Now let's learn more about winter season. Okay.
Let us learn about winter season. Winter season is the coldest season of the year. It comes after rainy season. It starts in November and peaks in January. The temperature plunges during this period, means there is a downfall in temperature during winter season. Hilly areas experience snowfall during winter season. The nights are longer and the days are shorter in the winter season. Now let's know how to keep ourselves warm in winter season. We can keep ourselves warm by wearing woolen clothes, taking hot drinks and using electric gadgets like heater, etc. Some people used to sit nearby fireplace to keep themselves warm. Now let us know about winter clothing. Here you can see boots, jacket, beanie, gloves, earmuffs, sweater, scarf, coat and jeans. And you know what? These all are made up of wool. So now you know that we wear woolen clothes during winter season. Now let's see the things other than clothes that help us to stay warm during winter season. Fireplace, geyser and heater. These are the things that help us to keep ourselves warm during winter season. Fireplace. Fireplace is a traditional method used in hilly areas to keep ourselves warm during winter season. Whereas geyser is a modern electronic gadget that gives us hot water to take shower. And heater is also an electronic gadget that makes the temperature of the room favorable for us during the winter season. And now kids, let's know about the food items that helps us to stay warm during winter season. The first picture you see here is of soup. Yes, there are variety of soups that help us to stay warm during winter season. So kids, we should take soup during winter season. They are not only tasty but also healthy and beneficial for our health too. And besides taking soup, we can also have coffee or tea to keep ourselves warm. And not only coffee or tea, we can also have other hot drinks too to make ourselves warm during winter season, like hot chocolate drink and hot milk too. So kids, these are some hot drinks that you must take to keep yourself warm during winter season. And the last picture that you see here is of dry fruits. Kids, dry fruits help us to stay warm during winter season. So don't forget to have some dry fruits during winter season. Okay. So we should eat as much as dry fruits as we can because dry fruits are great source of energy and they also provide us warmth. So kids, now it's time for an activity. Okay, so here you can see some scrambled sentences, and now what you have to do, you have to unscramble them to make meaningful sentences. Okay, so your first unscrambled sentence is the coldest season of year, winter, the. So if we unscramble the following, the sentence will be winter season is the coldest season of the year. Yes, very good. Your next sentence is gives us winter relief season heat from the of sun. So the correct sentence will be winter season gives us relief from the heat of the sun. So here is your next sentence. Has short, long days, nights, winter has. And the correct sentence will be winter has short days and long nights. And your next sentence is this. Wind, fog, cold temperature and low effects winter of are the. So the meaningful sentence will be cold wind, fog and low temperature are the effects of winter. Yes. So here is your next sentence. Hilly experience areas snowfall. So the correct sentence will be hilly areas experience snowfall. So kids, here is your next sentence. Like take 2 people hot drinks winter during, and the correct meaningful sentence will be people like to take hot drinks during winter season. Very good. So kids, I hope you enjoyed the activity. Now it's time to say bye bye.